keep it trill with you.
Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? So your girl's about to do a braid out and do a tutorial on that, but I haven't done like a talk through on how I do my edges in forever. Well, I've never done a talk through. I've always done it really artsy and fun. So I was like, it's 1 in the morning, it's raining outside, it's like 30 degrees. Why not do your edges? Like, let's go. So fun fact, I'm actually obsessed with edge control. Like, it's actually an unhealthy obsession.
Why you so obsessed with me?
Even when I find an edge control that works for your girl, that works for me, I'll go in the beauty supply store and I just pass by one and it's like, most laid edges in the world. Will glue your edges to your forehead. Your edges will never move. Your edges will be tattooed on. Actually, this sounds kind of nice. And then, girl, I just be like, I'm trying to decide which control I'm gonna use today. One of my favorites. I have like so many edge favorites. I'm probably gonna do a video on that. Right now, I just washed my hair and it's wet. Excuse how it looks super thin. Like, this is just how my hairline kind of looks. When it's like curly and it's dried up. But anyway, so today I'm gonna use my Style Factor Edge Booster. So I was a real creep when I got this because they have them right by the register at the beauty supply I go to, and they're like lined up between 2 registers. So I'm talking about 2 lines of people are checking out and I'm over here like,
Are you okay?
it looks like this. This is usually what I start doing. I'll just like move my edges forward. Also, for the best results on your edges, you want to do it on clean hair. I'm really lazy, y'all, so if I don't have time to wash my hair, or my hair is just like I'm having a good hair day, I'll literally take like a cleanser or a sulfate shampoo or something, and this sounds so bad, but I literally take like a small brush and I'll just like shampoo my edges and then condition them and rinse them by themselves before I do my makeup. It's actually pretty sad. If you need your edges laid, then like, who is anybody to tell you can't shampoo just your edges? Okay, they're not gonna fall out. Probably. I'm so scared to even show this to y'all because it looks really, it just looks gross and it's gunked up. I need a new one, or to like throw this in some bleach or acid or something to get rid of all the gel buildup. Nah, I'm gonna show you to y'all how it really looks, because like I think everybody has like a gunky edge brush somewhere. This is the real tea. This is really what goes down. First up, I'm gonna go in here into my edge control. Notice I am not wearing any. This looks thinner, right? This part actually is thinner, and you know what did that? 5 years of relaxers from 5th grade all the way to 10th, okay? So literally, I had got a chemical burn at a hairdresser one time. Basically, I literally was telling her like, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning. I was telling her, I was like, please. And you know what Shawty did? She came and she got the, wait, I have it here, I'm gonna show y'all. So she did not take me to the sink. She didn't say, oh, it's burning, okay, let's rinse it out. She said, I want your hair to be very laid, and she brought out this, okay? Y'all all, whoever had a relaxer knows what this is. She literally sprayed it around my hairline and certain areas so the relaxer could stay in longer, damage my hair further, and literally get it the proper level of straight, y'all. So since that day, if anybody asks when I say I'm never getting my hair relaxed again after going natural and being natural for like 5 years or whatever, this is a, wait, where is it? Did I lose it? Oh yeah, no. This spot right here is a constant reminder of what relaxers do to my hair. This is why I do such dramatic edges all the time, to cover up the imperfections. I'm just kidding, I just really like them. All right, so enough with the chit chat. I'm going to put on some of this edge control. It's the pineapple one. And yes, as I said, I stood at the register and I literally like smelled almost every scent. But I'm so addicted to edge control that I might still get another scent, because you know, some days you feel like pineapple, some days you feel like vanilla, some days you feel like a strawberry daiquiri with pina colada mixed in. There's a name for that. Also, I grew up in New York, and I grew up also my whole life around lots of minorities, so like, I don't know, exaggerated edges and baby hair was a thing for a long time. Like, I even have pictures in high school when I had a relaxer before I was even natural, and I was always doing my edges like really dramatic depending on the day. Okay, you see, it's a lot of baby hair. No, this is not breakage. I can literally show you baby pictures. I've had a lot of baby hair my whole life, and if it is, we're just gonna ignore that. So let me tell you what I'm doing. So I'm taking this little comb in. You can use a regular rat tail comb, but I like this one just because it's so tiny. It gets right in there. But I'm taking my middle finger usually. I'm taking my middle finger and I'm literally pressing the hair down and smoothing it as I go. Remember, my hair is type 4, but my edges have been literally disciplined over so many years. The reason why I always hesitate to do these tutorials too is because I do my edges differently every single time I do them. Same technique, but it just depends on what my edges are trying to do this day. Like this thick line right here, I don't usually like that. So I'm gonna keep working, and then I like to go in like a C swoop motion. Boom, bring it up. I'm feeling it because sometimes I cut upwards, because y'all saw that in my bun video. You know what's weird? Everybody thought I was weird for using a comb to do my edges back in the day, and now it's like a popular thing. So I feel like, you ever get teased for something, or like people just like make you feel bad for something, and then it becomes a wave, and then people be like, oh, you're hip, and I'll be like, especially with music, I'd be hip to music early, and people be like, who is that? I remember, okay, wait, let me finish this tutorial. Okay, anyway, so I'm actually gonna wing this one in, and then we're gonna okay, boom. I like this one because this edge control, just because it's got a very like light hold initially, but the hold gets stronger once you lay your edges down with a scarf. But some of the edge controls that I also like and use are so thick and like strong. But yeah, like I like that you can manipulate and work with this for a little bit. It does take me this long, but it doesn't. I'm just trying to be a perfectionist because I'm on camera, but I'm gonna do it at the speed I normally would. But literally press the comb down, follow it with your guide finger, swoop. Can make the sound, swoop. All right, I'm feeling that. I'm definitely feeling that. So since this side is my little kind of thinner side, I am gonna swoop this back, because I have had to work for years to cover up that part of my hair. Oh yeah, this is another technique I use. I literally will take the edge of the comb, and sometimes, let's say I swoop, but I don't do it too strong. Like, that's another thing you could do. You can literally push your swoop. It's the same technique that a lot of hairdressers use to do finger waves on their clients. So then I'm gonna, let's see. I think I want to bring a little more of this forward. That's too much edges. Okay, hold on. And also, if you don't like very dramatic edges, you can literally alter this. Use the same technique, but alter it to your preference. As I said, I grew up with dramatic edges culturally. It's not a trend for me or anything like that. I think I could pull up an old picture. I'll see if I put in this video. But I've always done this, and probably always going to do this. Even when I'm 80, I'm gonna have like gray edges just slayed back, even if I gotta do a frontal to do it. All right, so then we're gonna take this little bit, and then I cut my sideburns down a lot because I have very long sideburns, bro. And then I just kind of, I don't do nothing fancy with them no more. I used to, when I used to keep my sideburns longer, I used to be doing all these crazy designs and stuff. Yeah, and it can mess with your makeup, but it's okay. I usually just go back over it. And now the other side, can't forget, you know, symmetry and all that. And then we're gonna just push that side out as well. This part of my edges, I'm just like, what do I do with you? I want to cut it, but like at the same time I don't. I might. Ooh, no child, no child. I hope this is entertaining for y'all. I know you probably got the concept already, but like, And I don't always spend this much time on my edges, I promise, but literally, I don't know, it's fun for me. Like I said, all this makeup, hair stuff, people can talk down on it and say, oh, that looks crazy, as much as they want, but this kind of stuff is so much fun for me. Okay, it's just this stubborn hair right here. You know what? When a hair don't want to cooperate with you, it's okay, buddy. I'm gonna separate you from the pack because you want to go do your own thing, and it's okay. Do you want to fleek up? How do I have so much freaking baby hair. Okay, the vibes though, I'm trying to maintain the vibe of the edges on swim, you feel me? And ignore me if I get red. People talk about that all the time in videos, but I'm like, y'all ain't never seen somebody that's slightly caramel that gets red when anything well, I just got sensitive skin, I guess, cause I always have. So I'm so used to turning red when literally my mom was about to storm up to school one day when literally I think I was about to get in the bath or something, and I had red basically handprints on me, you know what I mean? And she was about to storm up there and, you know, I don't know, kick some butt. My mom's the nicest person, but she looked like she was about to kick somebody's booty that day. And literally when I told her what it was, she was just like, oh my gosh, because literally somebody had tapped me on the shoulder and asked me if I had extra paper. It was like some really normal thing that happened, but sensitive skin problems. Okay, y'all see that? Okay, so these are my edges. Please tie down your edges after you do them. You do not want to swoop and put in all this beautiful artwork right here, no matter what society says. Edges are art, okay?
How's this good work?
You don't want to do all that just to have them literally curl up 3 seconds later. A lot of people talk about that. The main key is tying them down. Like, I feel anxious just having them out in the open after I finish them. I already feel them starting to try to set, but this ain't a wash and go, y'all. Your edges are like a puppy. You gotta stay with them. You gotta nurture them. You gotta tuck them in at night, you know? I'm just kidding, it's the most, but yeah, I'm about to go get a scarf and tie down my edges and then come back so y'all can see the final results. All right, am I giving it to y'all? Am I serving looks? Am I serving looks? This is a look, you know? Microfiber towel, bandana, like best of both worlds, Hannah Montana, oof, bars. This is normally when I would, if I do my edges before my makeup, then I'll just leave this on the entire makeup time. I don't always use a bandana, but this is what I had on hand. I prefer like silks and stuff. Oh yeah, while I'm sitting here waiting for my edges to set, before, you know, I close the video out and do the result and all that stuff, I have to announce our Underground Official for this video. And if y'all want to know what Underground Official is, it is a movement that I've started here on YouTube, because as a larger creator, I feel like we don't give back enough, especially just to our followers and subscribers. Like, I feel like giveaways just aren't enough, especially for subscribers that are new, not even just new creators, but budding creators. I feel like there's so much you could be doing for them, and I, like I said in the original video, you have to be the change you wish to see. So the change I wish to see is just a more community on YouTube. It's become so much about money and sponsorship and glamour and drama and being petty and getting canceled. I'm guilty of the canceling thing, but that's just because it was me canceling something for myself. I haven't canceled anybody. I just wanted to do that. So if you want to look for the original video to learn more, it's called Watch This, and it's the video right before this, so y'all should watch this. Also, before I announce the person, huge thing, please before you leave, click the subscribe button. It only takes 1 second. It is 100% free, and it just means the world to me, because according to my YouTube analytics right here, over 51% of people, I think it was 51% of my viewers are not subscribed. Come join the gang. Come on, bring it in. Join the gang. Come on, join. We're here. We are welcoming you. Back on topic. Back on. Bring it back. I'ma bring it back. Bring it back. Hey, But yeah, so make sure to subscribe and then also hit the bell. Something that a lot of creators don't know, but also so many viewers don't know. YouTube as a whole changed its algorithm, and now everyone, even if you've been subscribed for 5 years, 7 years if you were on my old art channel I did in high school when I was like a kid, baby, your notifications are turned off. Not off completely, but they are set to occasional. And for YouTubers like me who post like once a week, twice a week, you feel me, that can mean you might not get notified for 4 months. So make sure you set your notifications to all. I'm not gonna spam you or blow you up, but if you want to be in the next Underground Official feature or just learn more about new creators or see new content, that bell means everything, y'all, because a lot of people have not been getting my notifications. And I've watched so many YouTubers' views just like plummet because their audience isn't getting notified. And not just for me, go to your favorite YouTubers and make sure your bells are clicked. All right, so our Underground Official is
hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome to my channel. This channel is gonna be about beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. I'm gonna be incorporating self-love, law of attraction, and of course the #1, faith in the Lord. Super excited to film my growth, and if you guys want to join this journey, because I do want to see you guys grow too. Why can't everybody make it at the end of the day?
And I just loved her vibe. I loved everything that she was saying in her video, all that good stuff. I'm all here for a positive energy, positive movement. So keep going, girl. Bring us this content. Continue to just shine bright and do everything in your power to just create. For the next Underground Official, it's going to be a very, very quick turnaround. This time, because I'm going to keep this rule for the next few videos that I've bulk filmed. So stay tuned. I'm going to re-announce it in the next couple videos that this applies to before the rules change again. You got to email me 3 things, okay? 3. #1 is a screenshot of your subscription with the bell notification turned on. I can check if you guys are subscribed through a background service, which I have, so I can also verify it that way. But again, this is all about hard work and who wants to put that extra foot forward to be featured. Then I want you to send me a video you'd like to see next, and then a 15-second to 30-second just intro of yourself, and you're gonna send it to britouchart@gmail.com. Now this email is only for this, so if I see, oh wait, I didn't mean to clap, but this email is only for this. So if I see any other emails in there, unfortunately I won't be responding to those. This is purely for this Underground Official moment. So screenshot of subscribe with the bell notifications, video you'd like to see next, and short intro. And if you already did a channel intro, you can literally just send me your channel intro. That's perfectly fine. Or you can just send me like 15-second clip like, hey y'all, it's so-and-so, I go by this, these are my passions, this is what I bring to the table, check my stuff out, da da da. All right, got it? Cool. All right, so I think that's been about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna take off this scarf. And you gotta do this delicately. I do this in the direction that my edges are swept for the most part. Oh yeah, these babies are set. And look at that.
It's beautiful.
And I hope y'all enjoyed this video tutorial, me rambling and just in the middle of the night.
This isn't a sculpture. A good sculpture takes more time.
And I'll catch you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Wow, this is so weird. I don't have like long nails. Oh, this looks very okay, I gotta go. Bye y'all. Peace out, gang.